Hi guys, my name is Tony DLC, and today we will be introducing the model T5. I'll show you how you'll be able to connect it, to use it. And if you have any more questions or problems, I will be solving those as well. So I'm going to be talking about these earbuds exactly because I've had some comments on how to connect or they don't connect well. So I'm going to make a brief explanation on how to connect and how to use these earbuds. T5 earbuds, and they're exactly these. So I'll explain all of these elements. It is not about the quality of these. Sometimes it just happens, and you just have to do some itty bitty connections on your phone or on these, and that's it. You have them up and running again 100%. I've changed to this position so I can explain how these work. The T5 actually shows how much battery they have here, and this is a power bank. And we actually just had a fun stuff. We took them out, we were waiting for it to connect, but they actually connected to somebody's phone outside. So once they're connected, you can't find them anywhere on your phone. And we had also a different situation where the right side was not charging, and after that he plugged it in and it was charging again and it was working. So it was kind of like a little problem they had, but solved pretty easily. And so how do they connect? First you take both of them out, and once you do that you will hear power on, connected. That means they're connected one with the other one, and after that they will say pairing. Now here my phone has found them already. Here it is, T5. I click on T5, paired. Now both of them are connected and ready to use. If it doesn't happen this way, what you should do is take your earbuds off, put both of them back inside. You should forget them from your phone and charge the case. Another cool feature that we have is you can also just connect one. So you can choose whatever, put it back on. It's gonna say turned on, and it's gonna try to look for the other one, but it won't find it. So you just go to your phone and you click on it actually got connected already. So automatically, because it didn't find its pair, it found my Bluetooth as well, and it connected automatically. So now I am connected while one is still here and the other one is on my ear, and it already got connected to my phone as well. Connected. You can do that. If you take out the left one, it will automatically connect as well. So now I have both of them connected and sync with the music that is playing. Now that we went through the process of connecting and pairing our earbuds, now I'm going to explain how to use them. So both of them have the one-touch play function, play, pause, and vice versa. Play, pause. For the volume up, volume down. The right side, just press and hold, is for volume down, and the left side, press and hold, is for volume up. Double click on the right side to listen to the previous song, and double click on the left side to listen to the next song. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this short introduction on how to connect and how to use your T5 earbuds. And if you have any questions, you can contact me directly or contact the seller directly. And thank you for watching. I hope my video brought a bit of value to you, and have a great day.